How to fix keep crashing in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off button icon, click on restart again, click on restart your phone. Now go back. After that, update apps. Open Play Store, click on your profile, click on manage apps and device, click on updates. Now here you will see update apps. Select app that you want to update. After selecting app, click on update. And if you want to update all app, then click on update all. After click on update all apps will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Open settings, scroll down, click on software update, click on download and install. Now here you will see update option, and if you want to update software, then click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset all settings. Open settings, scroll down, click on general management, click on reset, click on reset all settings, click on reset settings. After click on reset settings, all settings will be reset from your phone. Now go back. After that, factory reset. Open settings, scroll down, again click on general management, again click on reset, scroll down, click on factory data reset, scroll down, click on reset. After click on reset, your phone data, picture, video, documents, contact will be erased, delete or reset from your phone. This is how you can fix keeps crashing in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.